But today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve keeps closing on Discord app. To know how to fix or how to solve keeps closing on Discord app, you should just go to settings. Here you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then you'll enter to the window or to the app of Discord app and you will enter here. You will go to this window. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause the errors or can delete your account. And in the end you can turn off your phone. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your attention and your watching.